Any doubts? Shivam has raised hand.
Yes, yes. I'm having a query.
Can you speak a bit loud?
Hello, am I audible?
Yeah.
Yes. So, will you add like customer name, order ID in the sheet?
Just customer name and
Uh, Order ID,
okay.
state,
State.
and discount and sales. But for discount and sales, you put as a dimension. Right click.
You mean to say discrete?
Yes, discrete dimension.
They are discrete. You want the segregation, right?
I don't want aggregation.
Okay. Okay.
Same for sales also. And put any of the measure in like in rows in normal, not in dimension.
Here or here?
Rows, yes, this one.
Okay.
Discrete. Okay, then customer name as a filter. I want actually totals for the like discount or sales or
See,
something.
when it is discrete, you don't have direct option to have the totals. You cannot show the totals.
Yes, so I was trying adding another sheet for doing the totals. So on that scenario, what it was happening, so I'm not able to getting the number of rows that are showing on the window, the sum of that one in one sheet to another.
You show it in the top then.
No, actually, if I add totals in another sheet, if I make totals for the another sheet, so actually it is not showing actually for that scenario. Actually, I need to add all the things because
Just
it is nice.
Just yeah. Is this still showing? Oh,
There is a limitation, we can't convert this.
no, it's not that. It's just now keep this right above this, wherever they are.
Actually,
Now do
Actually,
yours.
I have also tried this approach also, but the sum are not getting the accurate data that we are showing here.
No, it should. Why is it
Because
not coming?
in my scenario, the data is aggregated from the backend, so I'm not able to. The aggregation when I'm doing the sum on the way that you have done, so it is showing like the total data sum of that particular like the filter that I have selected, not the data that I have selected. The sheet is showing on the main.
You are not clear again. So here you are saying you have a filter which is customer name.
Is customer name and having the data for a quarter wise actually. So
Using 18 of 2. So here I am bringing that customer name filter, and now you are saying here if I make it multiple, you are saying here if you change they are not getting affected. No, that is not the case.
it will affect, but the totals are not matching.
It will match. Definitely it will match. It's not that it cannot, there is no chance that they cannot match.
Actually, I've tried multiple times. I have also applied LOD, various LODs and
No.
various approximation from the LOD. So also it is not able to match it. LOD also giving the same result that the sum is also giving. So what happening? The total that I am getting, it will around 3 times of the data that expected.
Pardon? Can you come again?
The things that I am getting from the sum using the formula or the LOD by using the LOD is the 3 times of the data that we are desired or expecting.
No, then you have to show your data, otherwise I cannot tell you. But again, the value is a bit odd here. I have to check why that it is. Total. I'm not showing any aggregation here, but get to the aggregation. There's some to see an aggregation in this. Anyways, totals will not get. There's no point in looking for totals. Get to the total value for this.
By the way, is there any way to put LOD without aggregation?
See, again, don't go for LODs. LODs is at a different level. Don't think of LODs in this. It will actually, whatever you get, you should get here itself. Now, I'm 100% sure the value will be the same, but I'm not sure how to show you that aggregated that values when they are in discrete form. That is where I'm stuck.
Yeah, actually, I'm facing issue of the discrete dimension only.
Just a second. I'm only concerned now how to show you these values. Okay, let's do it. Let's check only for Aaron now. One person at a time. Right? Let me bring my calculator. It is 12 point. Guys, just bear with me because I'm a bit 17.94. Pardon?
I will also do so that it will be faster somewhere.
242.94 plus 48.712.
Somewhere 881 point something.
Just a moment. 221.98 plus 341.96, which is 886.156. Yeah, you're getting that.
In this scenario we are getting, but I'm
So
not
then
getting in my
you have to
scenario.
show your scenario. Otherwise I can't.
So I will connect you separately, I think.
Ping me with the screenshots. Okay, then we can see.
Yes.
Or try to mimic the scene. Now I've shown you for one customer, right? Even in yours also, first check it individual level.
Yeah, I have tried first individually.
Then
So
there is something filter or something that you are missing. There is something that you are missing because see, end of the day, whatever value you get an aggregate, whether it is a dimension or anything, whatever you get an aggregate is from that data only. Now, whatever you are seeing, these values, right? Whatever the values that you are seeing, these exact values are being shown in here in this page.
yeah,
If you go and check, you will get the same exact values. Those
yeah, I
same
will connect
exact.
you. I will give you the screenshot.
So yeah, do send me a screenshot. Let's see.